So here's an area that we're actually going to epoxy repair this, and we work with a 3M bondo product. We use several different epoxy solutions, but this particular deal, it goes in. This is actually a precursor before you do the actual bondo repair. So what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll use this, and it penetrates the wood and just basically solidifies it. I mean, it'll make it hard as a rock. And also what it does is it creates a nice surface for our epoxy, whether we're using the Bondo brand or a different brand. It creates a nice surface, a good surface for adhesion for our epoxy to grab a hold of. So normally this sort of looks like this, where it's fresh or like that. And then we just come in with this, and this is sort of like a stain that'll penetrate this wood and lock out water. It'll keep the water from coming, if there is any water in the boards, it'll keep it from coming out this way and messing with our epoxy repair. Sort of like a primer, sort of, for epoxy.